Number 6. Exterior design refinements. While the 2024 Model I retains its signature minimalist and aerodynamic design, Musk has teased several subtle refinements to its exterior. These changes focus on improving aerodynamics, which contributes to the overall efficiency and range of the vehicle. The refreshed design includes new wheel options that not only enhance the vehicle's appearance but also reduce drag, thus improving energy consumption. Tesla has also introduced new color options for the Model Y, including a striking deep crimson and abyss blue. These colors are created using Tesla's in-house paint shop, which uses advanced techniques to ensure a durable and long-lasting finish. The refreshed exterior look, coupled with its improved aerodynamic performance, makes the 2024 Model Y both stylish and functional. Number 7. Sustainability and manufacturing innovations. Elon Musk has long been vocal about Tesla's mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The 2024 Model I reflects this vision not only through its zero-emission electric drivetrain but also in its manufacturing process. Tesla's gigafactories where the Model I is produced are powered by renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind. Furthermore, the materials used in the Model I's construction are increasingly sourced from sustainable and recyclable sources, minimizing the vehicle's environmental footprint. Musk also highlighted Tesla's goal of creating a terawatt-hour scale for battery production, which will be essential for the mass adoption of EVs globally. By increasing the production of its 4680 battery cells, Tesla aims to reduce the cost of electric vehicles, making them more affordable to a broader range of consumers while maintaining profitability.